Hey everyone, Joe here with Speedway Motors, and we're standing here with a new product that is really cool and we're really excited about. This is our universal 12-circuit wiring harness with cloth-covered wire. So what we've done is we've taken this 12-circuit harness that can be used in anything and added this cloth braid to the wire. Underneath the cloth is GXL-covered automotive-grade copper wire. But the cloth braiding gives it the right look for an early car, 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s. If you're building a traditional hot rod, a traditional custom, or just restoring an old car that would have used cloth-covered wire, this is a great kit, a great way to upgrade. And the fuse block that comes with this is compact enough that it can be easily mounted and hid in just about any early car where space might be at a premium. As you can see, it uses these mini fuses, which is a great upgrade from an old glass fuse, if that's what you've got. Comes with two relays, one for the horn, one for the cooling fan. And this is plug and play into a 68 and up GM steering column, or most common aftermarket Speedway I Did It columns. These are pre-loomed into sections and they're labeled to make install pretty easy. The wires themselves are labeled, and then each section is labeled rear of vehicle. In this case, what goes to the back to the taillights, these are 12-foot long leads, so they're going to work for small to medium-sized cars. We have it labeled here front lighting, engine bay, and so on, with each section being labeled. Comes with flashers, comes with plugs for your headlights, comes with an alternator plug. This is really a complete kit out of the box. It's going to make wiring the car really simple, and it's going to look really cool with these cloth braided wires. So this is something we're really excited about. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, and thanks for watching.